Hey guys, welcome to Mama Tries. I'm Stephanie and today we're making homemade ice cream. So what I did was did a half a cup of whole milk. I did a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. Alright, so let me do that with my bag because my kids already did theirs. So I'm going to have my son hold this while I work on mine.
This is going to taste so good. It's going to taste
so
good.
What I did is I did half a cup of the milk, just like that, and then I just added a half a cup of the heavy whipping cream. Okay. Now this is just one recipe that I found. There's like a ton of different ones. So there's my milk. Now it also says 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. So I have my organic sugar, and I'm going to do 1.5 tablespoons of that. Now I'm going to do mine vanilla. My son Christian did strawberry, but I'm going to do vanilla because I like vanilla. So I have vanilla here.
Can you show him?
And then, whoop, I think I did a lot of vanilla there. And just poured that in. Okay? So now I'm just going to take the air out of the little zippy bag. And seal it up. Now another thing that we did do is we filled up a larger zippy bag with ice. Now what makes the ice so cold is you add a bit of salt. So you're going to spread the salt in there. I'm trying to open the salt here.
And I'm going to do that with ours.
We're going to open up the bag. Spread a little bit of salt.
Spread a little bit of money.
Oops. My bad. Next.
Can I show them how mine turned out?
So that's the strawberry one. So he's going to pop his in the bag. We're just going to pop our baggies in there.
Poof.
And then once we do that, we're going to seal it up. Okay?
I'm going to do mine over here. Make sure there's no air.
And now all you do
is
shake them up. And make sure that the baggies touch the ice. So that way it gets really, really cold. You're going to do this for about 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes. And when you're done, you're going to let them sit for a few minutes. And after that, you got some homemade ice cream. Like, hello. This is like totally legit. I remember doing this when I was younger. I had taken some students on a field trip one time, I remember. And we did this in the field trip with a paint can instead of baggies, but it was the same concept. So yeah, so we'll show you how it looks after we've mixed it up. Alright guys, so for us personally, I think we did something wrong as far as the ice-salt ratio, that maybe it didn't get cold enough, but here is one of my sons. It's a little bit thick, but it's still kind of liquidy, and we kind of shook it for about 20 minutes and then let it sit for 10. So, I don't know. He's going to just, I guess we'll pour that in there.
Gotta eat it.
Excuse me, that's not yours.
Oh, it is?
No, it's not yours.
Then where's mine?
Yours is in here.
Not looking.
Now, my other son's is weird because, okay, help me here.
Okay.
His is thicker.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. It's like a smoothie.
But be careful, careful, careful. You're dripping onto the stove and to the towels.
Mine looks
So
like a smoothie.
his is more thicker, so I don't know. There definitely was a ratio something. So here you go.
I'm gonna pour in my ice cream.
So you see it's liquidy on the one child, but whatever. Here you go. And here's...
Whoa.
Okay, you see his got to the chunkiness, so I don't understand. I think it's the salt, whatever ratio. I may have underdid it on one and overdid it on the other. I don't know. but
I see a chunky part in here.
I would definitely look it up, see what kind of ice to salt ratio you can find. Because definitely that looks more
Ice cream?
like ice cream.
Oh, it's probably because you used the strawberry thing.
Maybe.
You're supposed to use vanilla.
Maybe. So that's the ice cream. So it's like more creamy, and that was because of the whipping cream. Hey, that's probably the whipping cream. That's why it looks so creamy and everything. Whereas if you used milk, you know, it's a little bit different.
It's exactly just like ice cream.
He said it tastes just like ice
A
cream.
little more. It kind of tastes like whipped cream.
Well, there you go. So, if you like this video and you want to see us try some more recipes and some more ideas with some recipes, make sure you comment them down below and let me know what recipes we should try. Or even if you just say, hey, I want to see y'all cook. I will see what that's cold. I can see what we can make and post that video for you. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if we hit 1,000 subscribers. I will do a giveaway. I won't give you more details right now until we get closer to the 1,000. So make sure that you share my channel, share it like crazy, share this video, have fun, have a blast. If you want to see some silliness, let me know. Alright, so we'll see you guys in the next video.